Danny Truth Magnified.
Just who you are. So go in faith and you can go so far. You can be a son, you can be a son, you can be a son. As you think you the sun is just a closer. You're only as good. The sun is just. Shine millions at night, but it's the sun that gives us light. You can be a sun, you can be a sun, you can be a sun. As you think the sun is just.
We've never been able to get close enough to the sun to see what's inside. Therefore, no one knows what it can do or what it cannot do. You and I are a lot like the sun, because no one really knows what's inside. But we can control our minds, and we are bright enough to figure out the solutions to our own problems. Each of us has the energy to achieve whatever it is we want in life. And each of us has the warmth to really care about our brothers and our sisters. And if we can just learn to love each other a little bit more, then there would be no hatred, there would be no crime, there would be no violence. Together, we have the power to make this world of ours a better place to live in. Try putting these ideas into practice, and very soon you'll become a firm believer in these words.
You're only as good. You can be what you wanna be. You can be yourself. It's really up to you. It's really up to you.
Hit the notification button, and you'll get updated as soon as a new video drops.